We are going to get two type of input device. In that first one, human data entry device. The next one, source data entry device. Here, keyboard consists of set of key mounted on a board. Microsoft introduced first tablet and the name is Windows XP tablet. Hello everybody, a warm welcome to my new session. We are on the 6th session of overview of a computer. I am your Revati ma'am, faculty, Department of Computer Science, Vidhyaashram, 1st grade college, MYSURU. Dear students, today's class I am going to deal with input devices. In that I am going to explain human data entry device and source data entry device. These are the two types of input devices. Dear students, before going to start my today's session, I want to recall the things which I covered in the last session. In the last session, I discussed the limitations of computer system, at the same time how to organize the data in computers. There we studied what is file, what is folder and what is directory and how to create directory. Dear students, but today's class I am going to deal with input device. What is input device? So here input device is used to feed the data into computer system. I repeat, here input device is used to feed the data into computer system. Here input device is responsible for converting data into machine understandable form. I repeat, here input device is responsible for converting the data into a machine or computer recognized form. So, input device allows the user and other application to input the data. I repeat, an input device that allows the user as well as other application to input the data. So, it is called input device. So, here input device is responsible for reading the data and also responsible for convert them into a form that computer can use. So here input device is responsible for reading the data, at the same time convert them to a form that computer can able to use. Moving on to the type of input device. Here we are going to get two type of input device. In that first one, human data entry device. The next one, source data entry device. Inside human data entry device, we are going to get keyboard. Then we are going to get pointing device. Under pointing device, it is mouse, trackball and joystick. The another type of human data entry device here, it is pick device. So under pick device, we are going to get light pen, then we are going to get touch screen. The second type of input device here, it is source data entry device. Dear students, under data entry device, we are going to get audio input. In that, we are going to get speech recognition. Then we are going to get video input. Under video, we are going to study digital cameras. Dear students, then we are going to get third type of source data entry device, that is scanner. In scanner, we are going to get handheld scanner and flat bend scanner. Then we are going to get optical scanner. Under optical scanner, we are going to get OCMR, OMR and MYSURU. So anyway, we are going to study these types one by one. Dear students, let's see what is data entry device. So the name itself indicates that the data is entered by the human being. I repeat, it is an input device that requires data to be entered manually to the computer are identified as human data entry device. So here the name itself indicates that whatever the data that computer wants, that is entered by the human being. So here data may be entered by typing or by keying or by positioning the device to a particular location. I repeat, the data is entered to the computer system, maybe in the form of typing, or it may be in the form of keying, or it may be in the form of pointing device. So some of the examples for human data entry devices are keyboard, mouse, trackball, joystick, digitizing tablet, light pen, then touch screen. Today's session, we are going to study human data entry device in depth. Dear students, moving on to keyboard. I hope everyone are familiar with keyboard, how to type keyboard or how to use keyboard. So what is keyboard? It is a text-based input. Dear students, the keyboard contains some text or alphabets or numbers, or it may be a special character. So here keyboard is a text-based input device that allows the user to input alphabets, numbers and other character. So I repeat, a keyboard is a text-based input device that allows the user to input the data to the computer, and the entered data may be in the form of alphabets or numbers, or it may be a character, that means special character. So dear students, here keyboard consists of set of key mounted on a board. So keyboard contains a set of keys that is mounted on the keyboard. So usually the keyboard consists of following types. In that first one, alphanumeric key and punctuation key. So the keyboard includes two types of keys, that is alphanumeric keys as well as punctuation keys. In alphanumeric keys, we are going to get letters and numbers. Whereas in punctuation key, we are going to get comma, period, semicolon and so on. So there are two types of keys, that is alphanumeric key and punctuation key. In alphanumerical key, we are going to get letters and numbers, whereas in punctuation, we are going to get comma, colon, period, etc. So there are different types of keyboards and they have varies in keys. That is, there are different types of keyboard having different number of keys. Some keyboard may have 84 keys, whereas some keyboard may have 101 keys and some keyboard may have 104 keys. So moving on to the type of keyboard. So we are going to get standard keyboard, virtual keyboard and wireless keyboard. That is, moving on to the type of keyboard, we are going to get standard keyboard, virtual keyboard and wireless keyboard. The next input device, the next most commonly used input device, here it is mouse. So here mouse is a small device that is used to point particular place. I repeat, a mouse is a small device that is mainly used to point particular place or position on a screen. And the mouse is also allow the user to select some particular portion or some particular file or some particular program. So here mouse can be used to select menu commands, size windows and start program, etc. So here mouse is mainly used to select menu commands. That means you want to list the commands, or you want to size the window, or you want to resize the window. Then if you want to go start program, then you can use mouse. Dear students, you may all are familiar with mouse. So in mouse you're going to get two buttons. One is left button and one is right button. Let's see the uses of those buttons. Suppose if you click left button, then it is used to select an item. Suppose if you double click, then it is used to start or open the file or program. Dear students, suppose you double click left button, then it is used to start a program or open a file. Dear student, suppose if you click right button, then it is usually used to display a set of commands. Suppose wherever you want to display a list of commands, then you can use mouse right click. Then the last option, that is drag and drop. That means select particular item, drag and drop it where you want. So here drag and drop, it allows the user to select and move an item from one location to another location. So here mouse is a small device mainly used to point a particular location or place. Dear students, moving on to trackball. Dear students, a trackball is similar to mouse, except that is required less space than mouse. So trackball is similar to mouse, but it requires small space. The size of the trackball is small. And when you have small space, then you can use trackball. So when the space is limited, then you can use trackball. So here user can able to move the ball all the directions. So user can directly able to move the ball directly while the device remains stationary. So the user can able to move the ball directly. The user spins the ball in various directions to affect the screen movement. Suppose user want to move the screen, then user want to spin the ball. So the responsibility of the user to spin the ball in various directions to affect the screen movement. There are usually 1 to 3 buttons on trackball. So trackball consists of 1 to 3 buttons. So trackball is more popular than mouse because it is stationary. So here trackball does not require much space because trackball comes in smaller size, so it does not require much space, and it is possible to place into any type of surface. It is possible to place in any type of surface. But whereas mouse we cannot able to place in any place. Okay. For that we require mouse pad. Use mouse pad Above the mouse pad, you can able to place the mouse. In mouse also, we are going to get variety of mouse, that is wired mouse, then wireless mouse. So here trackball is similar to mouse except it requires less space. In trackball, we are going to get the ball. So user want to move the ball in all the direction. Dear students, the next type here it is joystick. So what is joystick? So the name itself indicates that it is a stick. So it is a vertical stick which moves the graphic cursor in all the direction. So here joystick comes with stick, that is vertical stick, which moves the graphic cursor in all the direction. The stick is moved. So joystick typically has a button on top. So joystick contains button on the top. And it is also used to select the option pointed by the cursor. So here buttons are used to select the option pointed by the cursor. So here joystick is also example for input device, that is joystick is mainly used in video games, training simulators and controlling robots. What's the use of joystick? It is mainly used in video games, training simulators and controlling robots. Dear student, the next topic here it is digitizing tablet. Before going to start digitizing tablets, what is tablet? So here tablet is nothing but a wireless touchscreen personal computer. So it is smaller than notebook. It is smaller than laptop and larger than smartphone. So here tablets comes with built-in internet or LAN along with that software applications. So tablet supports business application as well as web browser application. In the year 2001, Microsoft introduced first tablet and the name is Windows XP tablet. Okay, moving on to the topic that is digitizing tablet or digitizing tab. So this is also another example for input device. So it is a input device primarily used to input drawings and sketches. So suppose you want to input drawing or sketches to your computer system, then you can use digitizing tablet. So this digitizing tablet is mainly used in CAD, that is computer aided design, for designing of buildings, automotive designs and designing of maps. So these digitizing tablets mainly used in the areas like CAD for designing of buildings and automotive designs and design of maps. Dear students, here digitizing tablet includes two parts. One is electronic tablet and another one pen. So here electronic tablet is a flat bed tablet. I repeat, here electronic tablet is a flat bed tablet where pen look like ball pen but it has electronic head. So pen looks like ordinary ball pen but it has electronic head. Then the pen is moved on the tablet. Suppose if you want to operate your tablet, then you want to move your pen. So here each position on the tablet that is corresponds to a fixed position on the screen. I repeat, the each position on your tablet that is correspondence to a fixed position on the screen. So drawing can easily made on tablet by using pen. So that is provided as input to the computer. Dear students, next is light pen. Dear students, a light pen is a pen-shaped device that is used to select the objects on a display screen. Suppose if you want to select object on your display screen, then you can able to use light pen. During most of the presentation, you can able to find this light pen. There they are going to use to highlight the object. So the functions are quite like mouse, but it uses a light pen to move the pointer and select any object on the screen by pointing to the object. So I repeat, so all the functions are same like your mouse, but here light pen is mainly used to point the object or used to select the object on the screen by pointing to the object. So here light pen is mainly used to point or select the object on your display screen. Then you may get doubt, okay, how it is going to work. So here light pen uses light sensitive detector. Dear students, this light pen is made up of light sensitive detector. So here light sensitive detector is used to select the object on the display screen. I repeat, here light sensitive detector is mainly used to select the objects on the display screen. Dear students, and the last input device here it is touch screen. So what is touch screen? Where you can able to find the best example, that is bank ATMs. Nowadays, most of the bank ATMs, they are going to provide touch screen. So user can able to touch the screen and they can able to perform all the transaction they want. Dear student, this touch screen allows the user to select or operate the screen. Dear students, by using touch screen, the user can able to operate. So user can able to make the selection by simply touching the display screen. So the best example here it is bank ATM. Dear students, when you visit your ATM, after inserting ATM card, you're going to get list of options. There user can able to select any one of the option with the help of touch screen. Dear students, today's class we discussed some of the examples of human data entry device. In that we studied what is keyboard, mouse, trackball, the usage of joystick. Then we studied digitizing tablet. Then we studied light pen and touch screen. Dear students, before going to end my session, I want to discuss what is laptop. I hope everyone are familiar with laptop. What is laptop? So a laptop is a notebook or it is a small portable personal computer, comes with screen, alphanumeric keyboard and touchpad. So here laptop is smaller than your computer system, smaller than your personal computer. Then what is the advantages of laptop? The first advantage, it is mobility. So here laptop is lightweight compared to your personal computer. So laptop comes with built-in battery and it comes with attached keyboard and touchpad. So laptop is compact in size. It is very easy to carry from one place to another. So it is a finished product. So laptop comes with one complete package. So laptop includes all the built-in things. That means it comes with built-in adapter. It comes with built-in microphone. It comes with built-in keyboard. It comes with built-in touchpad. So it is a finished product. So laptop provides power to access the internet. So through the Wi-Fi, you can able to access the internet. So here laptop comes with built-in battery. So anywhere you are convenient, you can carry and you can use it. So these are the some of the advantages of laptop. So laptop is a portable personal computer, comes in small size so that the user can able to carry one place to another place very easily. Then what is the disadvantages of laptop? So you want to upgrade the hardware devices frequently. Then cost of the laptop is high. Dear students, this is all about today's session. So in today's session, we studied some of the very important concept and interesting concept. So today's class, we studied human data entry device. But tomorrow's class, I'm going to explain source data entry device. So input device comes in two types. One is human data entry device and another one is source data entry device. So in the next class, I'll be explaining source data entry device. Dear students, today's class you may got some more information about the computer system. I hope you enjoyed this session. Dear students, let's meet in the tomorrow's session. Until then, take care. Thank you.